From Soil-Born Farms. Today we are making smoothies with Olivia. I've been making smoothies for Olivia ever since she's been 3 years old. But what she doesn't know is I've been sneaking in kale. Did you know that?
No.
So we're making our Eat the Rainbow Smoothie with Olivia. First she's going to add in a little bit of water because that helps blend everything up. And as she has been obsessed with rainbows and unicorns ever since age 3, we're going to start with the color red. So we're adding all sorts of different vegetables and fruits. We've got some strawberries. Then we're going to add in some oranges. We're going to add in some pineapple, frozen pineapple. And we're going to add in some frozen banana. And to make our yellow color a little bit even more yellow, we're going to add in a little bit of fresh lemon, just a little slice of lemon. There's a lot of really good stuff in the lemon peel. Some frozen blueberries are going to give us some pretty nice color. Oh, Olivia wants to add in the kale first. Okay, we're adding in kale for green. We're going to add in our frozen blueberries. Blueberries are so high in antioxidants, potassium. They are just a powerhouse superfood. And some Greek yogurt to give us a little bit of protein and creaminess. If you don't do dairy, just simply omit, or you can add in any other sort of alternative milk yogurt. And then we like to add in a little bit of ice to get it nice and cold. We're going to put the top on the blender, make sure it's on tight, and we're going to blend it up. All right, let's try this smoothie. So we call this our Eat the Rainbow Smoothie because it's got all the different colors of the rainbow, lots of different colored fruits and vegetables. And eating brightly colored fruits and vegetables means you're going to get more antioxidants, more cancer-fighting nutrients, more vitamins, more minerals, all more of the good stuff. So as much as you can, eat brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Plus, they look really pretty. What do you think, Olivia?
Oh my god, there's kale in this?
You made it!
This is so good.
I wish you could see the outtakes. They're pretty funny. Now that it's all blended up, we're gonna pour it